Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to create Twirl text effect in Filmora. First let's see what we are going to create today. This video is sponsored by Wondershare Filmora. First go to the titles, drop default title on track 1, change font to impact and font size to 200. Then enter your word. Then go to the media and drop any image you want to use inside your text. Change blend mode to multiply. Then take a snapshot of word. Then enter your second word and take a snapshot. Then delete these files from the timeline and drop your background clip on track 1 and then drop your first word snapshot on track 2. Go to the effect and apply remove black BG effect on snapshot. Then on drop shadow, change shadow angle to 100, color to black and distance to 2. Then go to the Boris FX and apply BCC Twirl effect. Go to the effect settings, change center X value to 0.5 and Y to 0.5 to bring it in the center of the word. Radius to 44.9, angle to 348.8, style to 2-way, outside softener to 29, inset 10, inside fall off to 15 and on keyframe on these changed values. Then go 20 frames further, change radius to 0. Then place the playhead at 3 seconds and 10th frame. Add blank keyframe on radius. Then go 10 frames forward and change radius to 45. Split the clip and delete extra part. Then place the second word on track 2, go to the effect, apply BCC Twirl effect, then apply remove black BG effect. On drop shadow and give shadow effect to your text. Increase background duration, then change snapshot duration to 4 seconds. Place the playhead at the start point, then go to the effect setting. Set Twirl to center, then radius to 45, angle to 427. Style to 2-way, outside soften to 30, inset to 10, inside fall off to 12, on keyframes of changed values. Then go 10 to 20 frames further, change radius to 0. Then add blank keyframe at 7 seconds, then at the end set radius at 17.6. Now let's render it to see the final preview. So guys, this is how you can create this amazing Twirl effect to create transition on text, or even you can use it on your video and you can use it on your slideshow to create amazing transitions. See you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe and goodbye.